If you're looking for the best teas for blood sugar, stay right here. Because over the next few minutes, you're about to discover 5 powerful teas that many Americans drink every day without realizing how much they can help lower fasting, glucose, reduce post-meal spikes, and support healthier A1C levels. And number 3 on this list surprises almost everyone. So, don't blink. Before we start, take a moment for yourself. Because if you're dealing with prediabetes, insulin resistance, or simply trying to keep your numbers stable, you deserve real answers, not guesswork. Let's go step by step together. Let us begin with one of the most effective teas to lower blood sugar in the morning, especially if you wake up with high fasting glucose. Ginger tea. People usually drink it for digestion, but what they don't know is that ginger supports better insulin sensitivity and helps reduce those blood sugar spikes that hit after breakfast. It warms your body, supports your metabolism, and gives you clean, steady energy. If you've never tried fresh ginger slices with hot water, trust me, it's worth it. Now, if you're craving something calming, something that relaxes both your mind and your glucose, you're going to love this next one. Chamomile tea. This one feels like a hug for your nervous system. Studies suggest that chamomile may help lower fasting glucose and improve sleep. And better sleep almost always means better blood sugar the next morning. If stress is affecting your numbers, chamomile is a quiet hero. All right, now let's move into one of the most searched teas for blood sugar in the US: green tea. People specifically search for green tea for blood sugar, and for a good reason. It contains EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that supports insulin sensitivity and helps your cells use glucose more efficiently. It gives you gentle, clean energy, no crash, making it a perfect swap for that second coffee. And if you like matcha, even better. It's like giving your metabolism a soft, consistent boost. Next, let's talk about a refreshing, comforting option that works beautifully any time of day: peppermint tea. It's technically an herbal tea for blood sugar, and while people think of it mainly for digestion, peppermint can help reduce cravings, especially those afternoon sweet cravings that lead to glucose spikes. It calms your stomach, your mind, and helps you avoid those little moments that throw your numbers off. It's simple, light, and surprisingly effective. And now, the one most people overlook. But when it comes to teas to lower blood sugar, this one might be the biggest powerhouse. Cinnamon tea. People search a lot for cinnamon tea for blood sugar, and research shows why. Cinnamon can help lower fasting glucose, improve insulin resistance, and slow down how quickly your body turns carbs into sugar. This means fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and better control throughout the day. Choose Ceylon cinnamon if you plan to drink it regularly, as the milder and safer option. As a bonus, hibiscus tea is rising fast in searches, especially hibiscus tea for blood sugar. It's refreshing, rich in antioxidants, and early evidence suggests it may support healthy glucose and blood pressure. It's an amazing cold option for hot days. Now here's the truth. You don't need all 5 teas. Just choose 1 or 2 that fit your lifestyle. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup before bed. Tiny habits, big impact. And if this video helped you understand the best teas for blood sugar, do me one quick favor, tap the like button. It tells YouTube that people want more content like this. Subscribe if you want more natural ways to support blood sugar, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. You're not alone in this journey. You're learning, improving, and taking real steps toward a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.